Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. It's Monday, March 15th, 5:10 p.m. New York time. We're going to do a comparison. This is an update to the past videos, comparing the 30 stocks in the Dow Jones Industrial Average compared to the Dow Jones Index. We're looking at weekly candles. Since it's Monday, the current candle's not done yet, and the time frame is year to date. So again, each of these candles is a week, but the current candle is not done yet because it's only Monday. And year to date, the first week of the year to current. This would be the index, and the single stocks will be on this side. But first, on the daily time frame, we're looking at the market closed. So we're going to do a percentage here, see who closed the highest. The Dow Jones Utility today closed the highest. Load it up in there. On the weekly time frame, there we go. Momentum to the upside. The second biggest index, the second index that closed the highest today was the Nasdaq. And the weekly time frame, 2 inside candles, indecision. The S&P 500, all-time new high. The Dow Transports, all-time new high for year to date. And again, the Dow Industrial, the same on both sides. Versus the Russell 2000, also all-time new high for the year. And for the 11 sectors in the S&P 500, who's done the best today? XLY did the best today, but we're looking at the weekly time frame. Yeah, it's not leadership. It didn't take out the high of this year yet. All right, now we're going to do the stocks in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Compare them. The first, just will be alphabetical order. The first is Apple. The first is Apple. Alpha Papa Lima. It has not even taken out the all-time high for the year yet. The index has. So more the wiser, if you invested in the index, the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index stock ETF, you would have been outperforming Apple right now year to date. This is leadership. Alpha, Mike, Golf, November as well. All-time highs there, and it's all the way down here. Alpha, X-Ray, Papa, just shy of the all-time high. American Express financial sector. So let's look at the financial sector stock ETF. It's down today, but also year to date it's near the high. Now Boeing. So for the first week, first day of the new week, look at that, all-time new high. Charlie Alpha Tango, also momentum to the upside. Yep, leadership. Charlie Romeo Mike, this is not leadership. 2 weeks in a row, inside candles. Charlie Sierra Charlie Oscar, that's leadership, all-time high. Momentum to the upside. Charlie Victor X-Ray, it's leadership, just shy of all-time high. Delta India Sierra Disney, indecision, inside candle. Delta Oscar Whiskey, indecision, inside candle. Goldman Sachs, okay. Momentum to the upside, all-time high. It's not green, but again, for year to date, the new week is making all-time high. So we're seeing again the financials. We saw that American Express, Goldman Sachs. Let's look at Home Depot, HD. Here's the all-time high for the year, momentum up. But again, I say again, if you bought the Dow Jones Industrial the first week of the year, you're still outperforming Home Depot. So if you were bargaining and bought it back down here, your return on investment would still been better right here on this, or on some of those other stocks I showed you that were leadership. American Express, JP Morgan. Hotel Oscar November, all-time high. IBM, it's struggling. Yep. Intel, India November Tango Charlie, inside candle indecision, just shy of the all-time high again. Juliet November Juliet, also 2 weeks in a row, inside candle indecision, all-time highs there. It's struggling. Wow, JP Morgan, like the other financials, outstanding leadership. Let's see how sustainable those financials are. Of course, in the past, it was technology that was leadership. So banks love higher interest rates, but doesn't mean their growth is going to still occur. Yep. Kilo Oscar, Coca-Cola, it's not leadership. MCD, McDonald's, wow, huge move up this week. Broke above this consolidation. Leadership, junk food, toxic, run far. Mike, 3M, leadership, wow, outstanding. Mike Romeo Kilo, not leadership. The health industry, look at them, wow. And really, McDonald's, are they going to come around, be the leadership of the economy? Yeah, see how long that's going to be sustainable. Okay, we already did Merck. Mike Sierra, Foxtrot Tango, Microsoft, Zenix consolidation. November Kilo Echo, wow, Nike turned around already. Yeah, a lot of chop. Papa Golf, wow, it's not leadership. Tango Romeo Victor, it's financials, look at that, leadership. Uniform November Hotel, total V-shape, yep. Still far from the all-time high. Visa, also another financial, just shy of the all-time high. Inside candles. We have a lot of daily candles today. Sorry, weekly candles that did not break above or below the prior week's high. Where the Dow Jones, we already broke out above last week's high. So that's leadership, even better. Victor Zulu, Verizon Telecommunications, not leadership, struggling. I guess they're not the leadership 5G network neither. Whiskey Bravo Alpha, just shy of all-time high. Whiskey Mike Tango, Walmart, not leadership. Yeah. So the takeaway is we have a lot here that are not leadership, but they're closer to the lows. We have a lot of them that did not take out last week's high yet. Especially when you see a inside candle. Yep. So this is struggling here at multiple levels. Why? Because the all-time highs here. Plus, we did not take out the higher or low of last week. Indecision. Again, this is leadership. And if you saw the broad thing, most of these are financial stocks that have leadership. Even the technology companies, IBM, Microsoft, and Cisco. Well, Cisco's doing better, but the other ones are showing they're not at the all-time highs. So we have a big disconnect here. You have some blue chip companies showing strength. Are they going to continue, or are we going to go back to the high tech and have them overtaken? Well, time will tell.